Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. How is it going? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We are back. It is Monday, September 11th, and things are not looking as well as they did last week. A lot of you guys obviously already were aware we were headed in this direction. If you are surprised, welcome. I'm glad you clicked on this video. I do ask you consider subscribing. We stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. It is hard finding crypto individuals like yourself, whether you're watching the stream live or watching the recording. I do ask you to join the Goon Gang. And let's get right into it, guys. We're going to start off with the market. And as I said, the markets are not looking good. And to us, it's no surprise. We've been following this. We've been predicting this. And it's not a surprise to us goons. If you've been with us with the stream, you knew this was happening, and we know we're looking for an entry point. So do follow along here, because I do want to hit on the global crypto market cap. We're looking at 1.01 trillion. I do expect we're going to get some rebound once it dips below 1 trillion. I say once it dips, I do expect it to go below 1 trillion. I do think there is going to be a pullback on Bitcoin stronger than we see. And not only is that coming from the FTX news, but also from there's just nothing happening for crypto for the foreseeable future. We're going to get some pumps from the halvening for Bitcoin, but even when the halvening comes, it's not going to be that much of a pump. So I'm really not expecting too much of a bullish sentiment in the near future for BTC. So I continue hoping that it continues to hold its dominance even when the global crypto market cap goes down. So we're looking at BTC right at around that 25K dominance at 48%, which we've seen it's holding its own. And same for ETH, even though the price 1500, dominance continues being 18%. So it is across the board. Everyone's dominance is being held well. I do want to get into the trending. When we look at trending, as you guys know, I'm looking at trendings, more specifically trending blue chips. And I was like, hey, one thing that we don't see, on the list. Oh, actually, it may have just been added. When I first looked, it was Arbitrum, and I do want to discuss Arbitrum because it is the biggest loser, and why it's not and what's happening with it. But it is something that hasn't been on the list in a little bit, and now we are seeing it pop up. It must have just happened. We just went through a new day in that UTC cycle, so apologize for that. So yeah, Arbitrum continues being the biggest loser. We are going to get into why that is, what potentially caused that price action to go down. And let me just check in with the chat. This is a good pause period right here. Sup, Teddy, we're going to zero. We're going to zero, Teddy. Can't you tell? Yes, it could be plausible. It is not looking good for a little bit. I myself have been considering, hey, maybe I do a small pullback before I get back in. And is that the same sentiment you guys are feeling? What are you feeling in crypto? Are you completely out? Hey, I'm going to hold it on the side. I'm going to wait till the markets get better. I'm going to wait till the regulation comes in. Or are you like, nah, screw all that, Teddy? We're going right for it, right? So, what up, goons? Please smoke that like button. Anthony Williams, always a pleasure. F Joe Crypto, yo. Red Sox. What was going on, Red Sox? Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? She was sad. She looks like she's been crying. Were you crying? We got a crying baby. What's going on? We're catching up with the goons. We got Coochie Boy. You know Coochie Boy? He's a futures legend. Yep. His name's Coochie Boy. We got Liminal. What's going on, Liminal? Nice to see you, buddy. Cody. Nice to see you, Cody. What's going on, buddy? Oh man, triple G's. He's feeling it. He's like, oh, GG8. Oh no, I meant triple G's. Teddy sucks. Just kidding. I have sold to almost all. Maddie B, I completely understand. I think that is the right move. I do expect the global crypto market cap to go down. The global crypto market cap's going to go down. So you're going to have to find good entry in. All right, Kyra? I'm sorry. What are you feeling? Ethereum or Bitcoin? Nothing. Kyra's feeling nothing. Ethereum or Bitcoin, Kyra? What do you want? All right, so yes, we gonna make it all back. Coochie Boy, you get out of here with that. You trolled me so hard. I'm like, okay, we're gonna make it all back. Let me get into this. Went into it, lost everything. I'm like, damn it, here we go again. We're gonna make it all back. Now I think we're at 0.5 ETH. We're gonna make it all back. That is the hope. 0.5 ETH to 5 ETH. Can we 10x? And we are gonna talk about that because some Shiba Inu whales are expecting, hey, how do I become a Shiba Inu millionaire? Kyra herself could be a Shiba Inu millionaire in the near future. She just has to invest the right amount. And we are going to talk about what that right amount is and what we need to get to. Hi, Kyra. All right, let me see here. So crypto futures market. As I said, the sentiment is lowering. People are becoming bearish, and when they become bearish, the shorts get larger. So we're looking at 33%, the long 66% for BTC. When it comes to Ethereum, keep in mind, we've been tracking this for quite a few, can we say months now? Weeks. And the Ethereum maxis are still pretty bullish on Ethereum for the most part. So we are seeing that 70% hold for that 1 hour time frame. And we check every day at the same time frame. So we know, hey, what people are feeling at this current time is probably true when trading in crypto. So millions when pigs fly. Let's go, my crypto buy, William. What's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Man, we're gonna make it all back. All right, so that's literally what I had for market. Let me move on over to the news. So a few of you guys may have fallen for this trap where articles come out and they go, hey, Ethereum's inflationary, and they run with the inflationary. Guys, Ethereum can have inflationary periods, and it does happen when you have validation logic that has changed, right? So now what happens is, what makes a coin deflationary versus inflationary? Inflationary, you're in a surplus, meaning you're minting more coins and increasing the circulating supply. Deflationary, you're burning more than you're minting, therefore decreasing circulating supply. So there are periods. Overall, Ethereum is deflationary. So if anyone comes to you and be like, "Oh, Teddy, the entire thing's collapsing," they're a bigger conspiracy theorist than I, and it is just not true. So we're thinking about this as a whole. If you fall for these inflationary articles, is one of the reasons you don't get into Ethereum. I completely don't want to misinform you. Just know, regardless of the protocol, Ethereum remains deflationary. So a few of you guys mentioned this. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for the madness. So we talked about this. We slowly hit on it. How much do you need to invest in Shiba Inu to become a millionaire in the next bull market? Well, short answer, 93,000. You basically need to invest close to 100K in order to 10x. And how are these numbers and where are we coming up with them? Well, this author, be in crypto, someone in there, I'm sure the credits are given to him in there. Let me see. They basically go from the current price it is now, which is 5080, right? And the historical peak, which is 4086. So just dropping this zero and getting to that same eight is going to give you that 1 million amount. So that's literally how much they want you to invest. And when is it going to reach the historical peak? That's up to you guys. I come from this system where I'm looking at it. Hey, they have the Shibarium. It's great to have the transactions. Unfortunately, I see no need for it. I do feel someone greater, better, faster, stronger could come out in that time, while we're waiting for meme coin Shib to take off. It's still doing great. It's still in the top, I want to say 20 now. And we'll see what continues to happen to it. But great article, for those Shiba Inu believers that want to invest 95K, 100K right now to hopefully become a millionaire in the foreseeable future. I personally, if you invest 100K into Shiba Inu right now, I believe you're going to be down to like 30K in the foreseeable future, because these guys just dump. Meme coins are notorious for dumping. So the other fun one, we've been talking about is Bitcoin. Is that death cross coming? Many of you guys have been talking about the death cross. We've even looked at times where death cross has formed on BTC and how significant a death cross affects the price action, right? Bringing it down all the way almost 20% from wherever it's trending. So we are looking at an area where death cross could form on BTC, and that could send markets down 20% in the foreseeable future. So this article does a great point on saying, hey, 20K is very well plausible. And when we go look at the charts, I will show you 20K could be plausible, and why that is, because we are seeing strong retracement, and that retracement continues as we get bearish news in the crypto space. So I am continuing here. And this is one of the reasons we have gotten the initial uh, pullback in the market, which is we're expecting FTX to sell $3.4 billion in crypto. They're going to liquidate these assets. Why 3.4? That 3.4 billion is going to affect, guess what? The global crypto market cap, right? What we've been tracking. Hey, this is going to lower. When it lowers, prices lower as well. And we've seen that, right? Normally, we were talking about this around 1.04 trillion, 1.05 trillion. Now we're in the area where it could dip below 1 trillion back again. We started streaming when it was below 1 trillion. We may go back to streaming when it's below 1 trillion back again. So if you are an OG goon, make sure you smoke that like button and remind everybody that you are an OG goon. You've been here. You've been here. I was here below 1 trillion, Teddy. You have no idea. So I 100% believe this is the reason for the dump. And you're going to see that for all the things, for all the cryptos. All right, so I did hit on Arbitrum. Why is Arbitrum trending? Why is it going down? Well, the main reason is three whales transferred 10.23 million ARB, which is basically 8 million to Binance. It basically indicating they're going to sell off on Binance, which the indication is they did. People saw that, boom, price plummeted. It doesn't seem like much, but when you're talking about a chain like Arbitrum, which is not a main chain, it's not like a Ethereum. I think it's layer 2, so it's built on top. Yep, layer 2 remains dominant. So just like Shibarium, I don't expect all these blockchains to take off. It's a great utility, but unless you're doing it different or better, I have no idea why people are investing in there. Hit that like button. Thanks, Cody. What's going on, buddy? By the way, Cody, how is everything? How is everything? Hope to make her some monies on game tonight. What the hell? Is that what you're doing right now? I have arrived after time off to wait for a bigger dip. Let go BTC to 10K. I do believe we could see that. So yes, primary reason why Arbitrum went down. We're going to continue to monitor, and we'll see, if there is more reckoning coming Arbitrum's way. And personally, I do believe there will be. I believe that any of these layer 2 built on top of these layer 1s are going to cause issues in the long run. It's great as of right now, but in the long run, we could see this continue to downtrend. All right, so that's all I had for news today, guys. I'm gonna go over to the chats. Study. I need to know about the chats. We all need to know about the chats, and the chats are not looking that much better. So one important level of support, 25,166. This is the triple G indicator given to us by our very own SK. Remember, I told you about that fake long, right? The Indian oscillator stayed bearish, but we saw that long position come in. And I was like, hey, I understand there's a long position, but I did indicate that it was a false flag, which the Indian oscillator was indicating as well. So even with the HARSI in that oversold area, we continue to downtrend. So Bitcoin is not looking good. We're now hugging support. Even the triple G indicator put support at 25,166, and we're literally at 25,153. So I do believe we're gonna dip below, and we're gonna have to reassess with the next support level once this makes a new low, which could happen in today, like could happen this week. There's nothing positive as of right now happening for BTC. Even if those spot ETFs get approved, I don't know. It maybe we'll have a 1 day, 2 day pump, but I don't think that downtrend is going to stop. People are coming in after crypto. They're trying to regulate crypto. They're trying to build their own crypto. They're trying to make CBDCs. They're trying to find every single way to find some entry point, and that may hurt crypto before we see that initial rise yet again. So that's exactly what we're looking at BTC. We are at support. I do expect the support to not hold. I think we are going to dip below 25K, and it's not, hey, it's going to happen today, it's going to happen tomorrow. It is going to happen, and we may continue to be underneath 25K for a little bit. And more specifically, as Wadi had said, even when me and Wadi, actually talking about Wadi, I'll reach out to Wadi, I'll get him back on the stream. Hopefully sometime this week we'll talk about it, because almost everything we're predicted on that stream with Wadi is looking like it's coming true. So we got good insight. We're making good, educated decisions, and that's exactly what being a goon is about. So love to see it. Love to see that the indicators are matching up with the market trends. So if that's what you guys are into, you're at the right place, getting good TA to you. And most of the work is done all through AI, right? AI is making these things study. It says nothing. No, I'm just kidding. It's indicators. There's math involved. So Ethereum, same thing. Support. You guys know I had support 1543. I do expect ETH to retrace. And when I say retrace, 1274. This is my level of support that I think is going to be the make it or break it. If it does retrace, we're looking at if 1274 doesn't hold, that's when 1K is achievable. If not, where I'm hoping it catches support somewhere around 1469, but 1274 is that make it or break it for ETH. So if we see this retracement continue, we'll see. So I've been hinting at I'm looking to get BNB if it dips below 200, if it below 200, if it dips below. How long have I been saying? I say this like every stream. Every stream I'm saying this. So we are seeing that sentiment. I did assume this is going to happen. I'm still waiting. I do believe there's room for it to bleed with the overall market. And almost everything is matching BTC's indicators as well. XRP. I told you 44 cents. I still expect 44 cents. Triple G indicator at 42 cents. But we are going to see a level of support. I did expect retracement on XRP. We are seeing that, and it is achievable. So we'll see what continues to happen. Shiba Inu, you guys know me. No matter as much news as you can shill to me, Shibarium's not helping this price. Bone's not doing any better. I need some price action. I need centralization to be removed from their ecosystem, so that way we can hopefully get price action that's correlated to the number of transactions, which will never, in my eyes, will never be plausible, because how do price action is liquidity. Transactions on a blockchain has nothing to do with the amount of money coming in. Anyway, we get real crazy here. Welcome to the Goons. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you smoke that like button. But yes, guys, Shiba Inu, you guys know I continue being bearish about the ecosystem. So let's see what happens there. Dogecoin. Oh, Elon's the only one that can pump it. We continue waiting for that pump to happen. X is getting more and more payment authorizations. So I expect some news to come soon. What that news is going to be, I don't know, but it does appear it will come in some bullish fashion. So we'll see how much Doge will actually rise when the time comes. So you guys were there, Teddy. I was there, Teddy. I was there when you sold, Teddy. You called it, Teddy. So this is it, guys. We're calling it 6 zeros, 6 666. This is it. I mean, we are got a long way down. As I said, those devs, we don't know how much they have left. We don't know how much they've held onto. And I do believe this is going to be a continuous bleed, because there's no utility. There's no reason to hold. It's all community driven, and communities fizzle out. So I do expect Pepe to have a strong retracement. And this was one of the reasons I went out of Pepe. So I saw Red Sox was here. We're going to talk Crow. And one of the reasons, Crow, it's that point where we're hitting that 5 cents, just about to get under 5 cents. If it does, is it a good spot to pick up? Probably, because if you're swing trading it, you know they're going to push it back above 5 cents before they drops again. But I do expect Crow to follow the overall market sentiment, and it will stay below 5 cents. I think right now it's the swing traders haven here, going up and down 5 cents here. So Bone, same thing. I told you retracement was happening. This is a strong retracement. We had, regardless of Shibarium, 66 cents is where support comes in for Bone. And that was from the previous retracement, from the previous all-time high. So we're definitely looking at a bearish sentiment for the foreseeable future on Bone as well. So that's what I had for charts. I'm gonna move over to what's new. What's new? Teddy, tell me what's new. What happened with all those trades? Did we make it, Teddy? Did we make it? So if you guys don't know what's new, we try to look at the last 1 hour of what's going on the Ethereum blockchain, see what plays, what degen vibes people are getting into to figure out the next meme coin that's going to make it, right? So like that, we find a few coins every day to see. And some of these guys, because we have like 10x, all right? We haven't, I think one of them we've done fairly well, like close to a 15x. So we have more losses than wins, but when we win, oh boy. So we've added a few to our watch list here. Let me just see. Oh, my degen list is empty. What happened? What happened, Teddy? Wait, what happened? Did someone wipe my list? Oh man. All right, that's fine. Let me see. Degen list. Yeah, someone wiped my list. Or the coins that were on the list all rugged. So Dex Screener removed them. That has to be. So Boost Coin's the only one that's remaining from what we bought, boys. Embarrassing. Actually, Boost Coin is not even doing well, because we bought in all-time high, I felt, at like 1 cent. And it's at 2. So we're already 90% down on our investment here on Boost Coin. So it's not looking well. Let's go find some new ones here. Oh boy. So one, we got liquidity pulled on us. All right, so let's see. What are people getting into right now? Awesome days since January 23rd. Awesome days. I know an awesome days. Is this my RuneScape pal? Awesome days. Do I have my purple party hat behind me? I do. What's going on, buddy? Since January 23rd, BTC up 50%, ETH up 30%, Ripple up 2. Since January 23rd. Since January 23rd. Are you just spitting facts to like spit facts? I'm about to fact check you right now. January 23rd of what, dude? Let me see. Actually, January 23rd, were we at 20k January 23rd? So I think we may have been up. So but 50%. So BTC was what, close to 12k January 23rd. Let's see. So January 23rd is right here. Let me see here. It's like, damn it, Teddy, you weren't supposed to fact check me. You're just supposed to read the thing and move on. 23rd. Oh god. Oh god. Somewhere here. Wait, this is Shiba Inu. Embarrassing. Did you say Shiba Inu? No, you said BTC. Embarrassing. Come on, Teddy. You should have known that, Teddy. Let me see here. January 23rd. All right, buddy. So January 23rd, you were at 15k. So now it's at 25k. So not okay. So if it was at 30k, it would have been a 50%. We're going back to January. Awesome days. We're going back to January. Jan 2023. I got you, buddy. I got you. I can agree with this sentiment. I can agree. Selmo Fudd, nice to see you. What's going on? Pretty much just looking at the sentiment of crypto, it's not looking good. So, we got to see what's happening there. But I want to talk about what's new here and just look at a few tokens that are doing well. So I'm looking at liquidity here. Nothing really with strong liquidity. I know a bunch of you guys got into that banana. Anthony Williams, you still here? How's that banana good doing? Did you make it all back? Teddy, I made it all back. Banana made me do it. By the way, awesome days. How are things going with RS? How's the clan? How's Run Escape? Fill me in, buddy. Is the Citadel doing good? Did we keep the tiers? That's all I really am intrigued about. Are the numbers going up? Are people playing more? I don't know what else. Now I'm getting into stuff called Web3 gaming. I'm trying to figure out what the heck Web3 is all about. So we'll see what happens there. Yeah, dude, banana burn. This one's 3.4k in liquidity. None of these liquidity pools are actually quite strong. Like 17k. Oh, 67k. How did I miss the 67k? It's down 30% in the last 5 in Genesis. Damn. We were 52% of the way to having a clan dragon at Citadel. What the heck is a clan dragon? You can have a clan dragon. Banana didn't relaunch, been aping all fruit and veggie metas. Dude, yeah, well, look at Genesis right now. It's doing pretty okay. I mean, especially for liquidity, but liquidity matching market cap. So whatever money you put in, just get it out before they pull the LP. Okay, so all the fruit meta. So you're in tomato. Tomato looks like it's done well. $298. Bro, are you like the only one buying this right now? Squash. I'm getting into squash, Teddy. We got to get into squash. 10k. Oh my God, zucchini, man. Man, you're killing it. I'm killing it, dude. Now I'm intrigued. What is it? Did they release that new skill? Is there a new skill in RuneScape or whatever? Do I need to come back? I don't even think I got to 120 archaeology yet. There's so many things I got to do, dude. Now I have a kid too. And my kid was here earlier on the stream. You missed it. I'm glad to hear this. I'd love to know that people are still keeping the stream. I'm sorry, I'm hearing my baby cry really loud, and I'm like, what the heck? Is it crying or is it just like screaming with laughter? It's hard to tell sometimes. Man, that's sad. So I saw what I heard is some of you guys got into this banana um pre-sale, and then they raised a lot, like a 800 ETH pre-sale, right? And basically there was an issue with the contract, and they had to sell in order to remove a lot of the LP, and they're gonna re-airdrop and make it all right. So that was what they basically said, and it sounds like they haven't relaunched yet. So we're still waiting. We'll see what happens with those banana guys. Banana guys. All right, so I ain't feeling that. I ain't feeling Genesis. I mean, Squash. Oh, wow. Squash. LP just went up like anything, dude. 87 buys came in. Teddy, Anthony, are you in Squash right now, man? I can totally see Anthony being in this. All right, so Pepe, Harry Potter, Obama, Matt Fury, one meme, 14K, 10K in volume, another all-time high over all-time high, Teddy. This is gonna be the one that makes it. You watch. You watch. All right, let's keep an eye on this. I lock these. I add it to my watch list. It does nothing, I swear. Banana didn't relaunch. Yeah, I keep reading the same comment because I want Anthony Williams to tell me that he made it all back, but he never did. He never did, Teddy. He was supposed to make it all back. I entertain myself. I don't need anyone else. I'm sorry. All right, watch list. Did we get Degen watch list to finally? Okay, so yes, we're in. And if I click on this, is my line there? Why does my line disappear? Why? 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 Horizontal line again. Look, I do it. I press the lock. See? Oh, this locks all drawing tools. How the hell do I save this then? What the hell? I can't just save this? I guess I can't just save this. This thing is evil. This thing is legit evil. I don't know if you guys can actually hear that. I'm actually worried. It sounds scary. Probably should get down there. All right. So, yeah, that was what's new. I don't see anything else really coming in. Let me see. We'll go again. Yeah, it's fine. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. I'm trying to see. Matt Fury. Hey. This one seems pretty good. Matt Fury, huh? Matt Fury. Whoa, monster buy here. Yo, I kind of want to get in on this, bro. Should we just degen in and see if we get wrecked? Like, this is going to be the one, Teddy. Let's see. All right, let's degen in. So let's assume we get into this right here at 901388. I'm going to watch this for a little bit, see what happens. Don't remove LP on me, Matt Fury. Matt is the ticker. Just we're up, Teddy. We're up. All right, we're up like 5%. 901388. How can I just save this so it just remembers? Yeah. Does anyone know? Teddy, you're doing it all wrong. Stop pressing the things. What's the show object tree, hide all drawings, stay in drawing mode? What's stay in drawing mode? Can I draw? All right, well, we're in this. Let's add this to our watch list, degen list, 901388. All right, I'm gonna just check one more time. I'm sorry, I just love degen. Degen in. All right, no. All right, we're good. We're good. All right. We're almost at goon time. This is your time. Literally anything you want to show to me, anything you want to talk about, something you want to discuss, things I want to tell you guys. I put a poll out there. considering making another YouTube channel just to see other content and stuff that that people could like to see from me. And the got to be very careful with the way I guess I said. So not only crypto content, continuing crypto content is the base. Started with crypto content, but really, even with my wife, she has this big conspiracy theorist, doomsday prepper type mindset. I want to get some of her uh, stuff on and document it to be like, hey, my wife has told me things because one, I'll tell you, and prove me wrong, but this girl had N95 masks prior to COVID. Like, this is how prepared she was. So when COVID happened, we were like miles away from safe haven. She had all of her tools, at the house. She was well prepared, this woman. So shout out to my wife. I am going to consider making another YouTube channel just to keep content flowing there. Once I know what I will call it, probably a conspiracy something, or creepy something, or I don't know. I don't want to just deal with conspiracies. I also like talking about like strange facts, creepy things, stuff like that. So if that's content you guys would like, definitely once this takes off, I will share that information with you. Otherwise, you will get your daily crypto streams. I've been with you all throughout. There is a time, I think I want to say sometime in November, the end of November into December 1st. I may be off for that one time, but yeah, guys, this is your time. 14 goons in the house. Shout out any charts, anything you need feedback on. Otherwise, I'm gonna look at Dex tools real quick. See what's going on there. Dorkle, Teddy Dorkle is supposed to make it all back. Let me see, another all-time high. I know you guys had an all-time high earlier today, but yeah, looks like Dorkle. We literally saw this on stream. We could have gone in on this so early, guys. We were supposed to. I don't trust it. I ain't not sure. Let me see here. RHC. What's RHC? Red hot. Okay. So, I mean, it's down. Both are different pairs. So, one's WETH pair, one's WETH pair. Dex. Dex is trending, of course. People buying for the votes. Project Galaxy. What the hell? Project. Oh, all time high, Teddy. Teddy is the man. What's going on? Cody, I feel like you keep chiming in, going, Teddy. Teddy. I can totally see you in real life doing this to me. Like, 1 second, I got to shout out to my boy Teddy. He's streaming right now. You don't understand. I think I'm for Snickered. I think I'm for Snickered. Oh no, did you drink on the job or something? What's going on, buddy? What's going on? You stick with me, buddy. You stick with me. We're gonna make it all back. We're gonna make it all back. Mog, how's Mog doing? I know we looked at that earlier last week or something, right? Yeah, we looked at Mog. I remember. And then a Foom. How we doing, Foom? Okay. Link. How we doing, Link? Bit drunk. Yes, Wood. I knew it, buddy. I knew it. You stick with the goons, all right? You don't go overboard now. You don't want to do anything crazy and give yourself a bad rep, all right? But guys, that is it for today. This whole week is gonna be horrible sentiment. We're gonna spice it up. We're gonna get Wadi on here. I'll try to give you guys more content as well. Keep you guys updated on hopefully dual content, get some conspiracy content, some creepy content, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if I'm gonna go reaction route or give more of like hey, this is what I know about it, this is what I've learned, and give you guys my take. But we're figuring out a format that could work, just to ensure there's multiple routes in case anything goes sour with the crypto side here. Never have I ever drank alcohol. I do not believe this. I feel like you drink alcohol all the times. All the times. They're just give it to you out. They're just handing it out to you like water. But guys, that is it. I will be back tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You know where to catch me. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure you smoke that like button on the way out. And don't forget to subscribe. You know it helps the channel out. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay strong. And most importantly, don't get rug pulled. And don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed.